Hey guys, this is Naoye. Today we are making this no yeast, no rolling out, super easy drop donuts. See, your children will just love having these in their lunch boxes. Trust me on this. So you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by some baking powder, about 5 tablespoons of white or brown sugar, and a little grating of nutmeg, maybe about half teaspoon should be okay. Mix it until it's well combined. Mix in milk, egg, some oil or melted butter and vanilla. Mix this together until you have a thick consistency. If the butter is too thick, a little bit of milk should be good, and you're basically looking out for this consistency. Next, you're going to use this scoop, an ice cream scoop. Cover it all in oil. Make sure all the bases are covered in oil so that the butter doesn't stick. And put some oil on the fire. You want to make sure it's hot, so I'm using a chopstick here. You can use anything to check. Once you see bubbles around it, the oil is very hot, and you want to basically take a little scoop at a time and drop it in there. And honestly guys, this was so easy. I mean, look at that magic. The magic of it is just hilarious. Look at them just turning around. So as it cooks, the butter gets more aerated, gets more lighter, right? The starch in there is stretching out, and it just looks amazingly golden and fragrant. My kitchen was just aromatic, and you want to make sure that it's cooked. Just lightly tap it. It gives it a nice hollow sound, and you know it's done. So we take it out, drain it on a kitchen towel, and that is it. How easy was that? No yeast, no rolling out, just lots of fun and good cooking. These are really delicious, yummy treats put in your kids' lunch boxes. They'll appreciate it so much because it was so fragrant. It was soft and cloudy in there, and there's this beautiful crunch on the outside. You see all these little knobs at the ends. Well, those are the perfect ones. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, share it, and comment. The recipe is right below. Bye guys.